Today I will be explaining completing the square, which is a method we use to solve quadratic equations. The main idea is to rearrange a quadratic into something that looks like a perfect square. This makes it easier to solve because once it's in that form, we can take the square root of both sides and find the solution for x. The objective of completing square is not only to solve quadratic equations, but also to help us understand where the quadratic formula comes from and how to rewrite equations into vertex form, which is very useful for graphing. As you can see here on the presentation, what our problem is going to be solved by completing the square. X to the power of 2 plus 6x minus 7 equals 0 is going to be our problem. Step 1, you want to move the constant to the right. So you're going to keep the x to the second squared and the 7x, but you're going to move the negative 7 onto the other side and do plus 7 on each side. Take half of the x coefficient and square it. The coefficient of x is 6, half of 6 is 3, therefore the square is 3 to the root of 2 equals 9. Now you're going to add the number to both sides. So it's going to be, like I said, the same exact problem. X to the power of 2 plus 6x plus 9 equals 7 plus 9. And then now you're just going to add the 7 plus 9. And you end up with 16. Now the left side is a perfect square. So now you can factor it. X plus 3 to the power of 2 equals 16. Take the square roots. X plus 3 equals plus or minus 4. Finally, you solve for x. X equals negative 3 plus or minus 4. PM is the plus or minus. I couldn't find the symbol for it. So the two solutions that you end up with are going to be x equals negative 3 plus 4 equals 1, and x equals negative 3 minus 4 equals negative 7. So again, you're going to end with the two different solutions due to the plus or minus. This was my presentation.